In this video, I will show you how to add a payment method on OnlyFans. So if you want to add a payment method on OnlyFans, then this is what you need to do. So first of all, we're going to open our OnlyFans. So go to your browser or log into the app. And then from here, go to the bottom right profile section. And from here, click on your cards. So let's go and click on this. So in here we have an option to add a payment card, and it is necessary to add a new card if you want to subscribe to users or to have chats with other people. So I'm just going to click on add a payment card in here. And then as you can see in here, we need to fill in all of our billing details. And then down below, we need to fill in our card details and stuff like that. So I'm just going to fill everything in here, and then I'm going to click on submit. And if you want to add a payment method as well, you need to go through this process too. So just fill in all of the information. And if you don't know what your ZIP code is or your postal code, then you can just look this up on Google Maps online. So go ahead and fill everything in and then click on submit. So right now I've filled everything in, and now you need to click on this thing that you are not a robot. Then this will give a success. And after that, you can click on submit at the bottom right. So I'm going to click on this. And as you can see, just like that, I have added my credit card to my OnlyFans account. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I see you in the next one.